Hi guys, and welcome to this Tinkerbell inspired makeup tutorial for my Disney series. I'm just taking my gorgeous everyday foundation. Oh no, it's not called everyday foundation. I think it's just called Gorgeous Cosmetics Foundation. I really like this foundation because it just makes my skin look very bright and clear, and that's what we're doing. I usually like to have a really I don't know the word, full coverage, there you go, base whenever I'm doing Disney characters, because usually there's stage makeup or costume makeup, you know what I mean? I do have a few everyday looks where I make them more wearable, but I usually like a full coverage foundation and a heavy duty concealer, which is what I'm using right here. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as well, and I'm just going to be blending that in. I really had so much fun creating this look a lot. It's probably one of my favorite Disney characters I've ever created. It's so much fun, it's so cute. And I am using my favorite, of course, airspun powder to set my face all over. And right here, you're just going to see me quickly fill in my brows. It doesn't really matter if your brows are showing because I'm going to be wearing a wig that covers the face, like with the bangs. So I'm going to use this palette right here by Dido or Dido. It's Dido or Dido, one of the two cosmetics. I talked about them not too long ago in another video. Like, I feel like people are sleeping on this brand. Like, the eyeshadow palettes are really cute, convenient to carry around, and super pigmented. I'm taking this yellow right here, and this is like the Earth palette right here. And I just wanted to do something really different. You know, I wanted to incorporate yellow and greens into this look. It's not super wearable. That's why I'm not making it an everyday series. But I really liked the way it looked. I was really stumped on how I wanted to do Tinkerbell because I feel like a lot of my Disney looks are brown colors. So I wanted to make sure I did something different. And I felt like yellow and green were a really cool combo together. And it captured, you know, the magic of Disney. I don't know how to explain it. Now I'm taking this Kylie Cosmetics palette and I'm taking this lightish lime green color. It's not very pigmented. So I had to really rub that in there. I used to love this palette, but for some reason the darker colors aren't as pigmented as like the matte colors. Well, this is it. This was like a like shiny type of consistency. So I went back into my Dido Cosmetics palette. This one was way more pigmented, and it gave me the green that I was looking for. So I just kind of carved my crease right here. I left that lighter color in the middle. It gave it something a little special. So we're just going to do that on both eyes, and I'm just going to be blending in that eyeshadow a little bit more into the yellow and connecting it in the outer corners. Also, these lenses right here are from this brand called Vicky Beauty. They have amazing lenses. I really liked those. Going back into that Earth palette, I'm taking that whitish eyeshadow shade. It's very matte. Also running that green eyeshadow on my lower lash line. As you can tell, this is a very different look than what I typically go for. So it's something new on my channel. Going to wipe off all that bakage because I was using colorful eyeshadows. And right here, I'm just using an orange eyeshadow. I didn't show it because it's not a blush. It was literally an orange eyeshadow that I used for blush, which is crazy. Then I am taking my liquid eyeliner and making a semi-dramatic wing. I felt like this really fixed the look. I wasn't too crazy about the eyeshadow at first. Then I started putting the eyeliner on. I was like, yes, this look is coming together. I absolutely loved it. It just looked really nice against the green and the yellow. I honestly almost wish I put glitter on the lid, but I didn't. I just kept it that way. I also lined my waterline with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Weirdo and placed some lashes on, and those are the eyes. I did go in with a pink blush, and this blush is from Gorgeous Cosmetics, just to fix a little bit of that orange. I didn't want too much orange. And for the lips, I took a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, and this is called Rose Madder. And I love this lipstick. It's very pretty. But I felt like it was a little too pink, so I did go in with just a regular red lipstick. And that topped off the look. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this Tinkerbell transformation, and let me know which Disney character you'd like to see next. Bye!